Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Derek, the owner and creator here at Jonesboro Books, and today we're diving into the differences between a drafter and an architect. While both play a crucial, pivotal role in the design and construction process, they do have differences to be aware of. But before we dive into the differences, let's clarify the roles of a drafter and an architect. An architect is a licensed design professional responsible for conceptualizing, planning, and overseeing the construction of buildings and structures. On the other hand, a drafter, also known as a drafting technician or architectural drafter, works closely with architects and other professionals to create technical drawings and plans based on their designs. One of the primary differences between a drafter and architect lies in their education and training. Architects typically undergo extensive formal education, including a bachelor's or master's degree in architecture, followed by practical experience and licensure exams. Drafters, on the other hand, may pursue vocational training, certification programs, or associate's degree in drafting or related fields. Another distinction is the scope of work. Architects are involved in all stages of the design and construction process, from initial concept development and schematic designs to construction administration and project management. They collaborate with clients, engineers, and contractors to translate design visions into reality while ensuring compliance with building codes and regulations. Drafters, meanwhile, focus primarily on creating detailed technical drawings and plans based on the architect's designs. They utilize drafting softwares and tools to produce accurate and precise documentations for construction purposes. When it comes to creativity and decision making, architects typically have a broader scope of design exploration and innovation. They are responsible for developing the overall design concept, spatial layouts, and aesthetic considerations, often incorporating sustainable practices and addressing client needs and preferences. Drafters, while skilled in technical drawings, typically follow the architect's lead in translating design concepts into detailed drawings. They focus on ensuring accuracy and clarity in the documentation while adhering to established standards and protocols. In terms of career path and advancement, architects have opportunities for licensure, specialization, and leadership roles within the architectural firms or as independent practitioners. They may pursue additional certifications such as LEED accreditations for sustainable design or specialize in specific project types or sectors. Drafters, while essential to the design process, may have more limited advancement opportunities within the field of drafting or related disciplines. However, they can still contribute valuable expertise and may choose to specialize in areas such as structural drafting, MEP coordination, or BIM management. So there you have it, some distinct differences between a drafter and an architect. While they both play an integral role in the design and the construction process and industry, their responsibilities, career paths, and even education vary significantly. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time, don't just draw, create. And we'll catch you in the next one.